What up, what up, what up? What it do? It's your man 9 Million. I'm back with another quick little video. Alright, so if you've been watching my channel long enough, you know your man has been stepping it up on the dry fire side of the game. We've been dry firing like crazy. I started a group on Mantis, so if you got the Mantis X, join my group. It's called Straps and Chats. There's probably a link in the description somewhere, most likely. It's easy to find. Straps, the N, Chats. That's it. But anyway, like I said, we're gonna make this quick. So I reached out to Mantis because I wasn't getting all my shots weren't registering, mostly under the rapid fire when I'm doing like multiple shots or whatever. Hold on, let me go get the tool. Alright, so if you, like I said, if you've been watching the channel, you already know what it is and what it ain't. So I got this little contraption right here that allows me to be able to fire successive shots, rapid fire shots. It's called the dry fire mag. You can find this also in my Amazon store. This is my Amazon store. It's a link to my Amazon store, link below. But this is a dry fire mag, which allows you to practice your dry fire without having to rack the slide every time. All right, so when I have this on, Mantis has a setting for cert pistols as well as dry fire mag. I go to the dry fire mag setting, I ain't been getting no readings. I go to the rapid fire setting, I ain't been getting no readings. So a couple days went by and I finally got a reply from Mantis. That's right here. I'll insert that right now. Boom. Alright, so as you see, they went in and changed some things. That's some good customer service. That's some damn good customer service. So we're gonna give it a shot now. We're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try rapid fire like it says in the settings. If that don't work, I'm gonna try the dry fire magazine setting. If that don't work, I'm gonna try just putting it on dry fire settings. So we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. That's what this video is going to be about. I'll put on the screen what settings is working or not working or whatever, so you can, you know, follow the journey along, because this is a journey, man. It's not it's a marathon, it ain't a sprint. But yeah, this is what the Mantis look like on the rail of the RXM. Empty. Dry fire mag. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this work in. Peace.
Low ready. Stand by. Low 91. Low ready. Stand by. Right 82. Low ready. Stand by. Low 39. High left. Left 77. Low left 75. High 79.
Drop by.
Ready. Stand by. Low 84. Low 93. Low ready. Stand by. Low left 85. Low left 90.
Alright, so as you see, unfortunately, I'm only getting the same issue that I was having before. I'm only getting the first shots reading on the rapid fire settings, as well as the dry fire mag settings. It's only reading the first shots, and that's it. I'm going, you know, bang, 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 like basically doing a build drill on the dry fire side of the game, and it's just not reading. However, if you've been staying watching and you ain't skipping through this video, you see that I put it on a dry fire setting and it's reading them all. So that is a plus. At least I am getting some readings, but it's not on the proper settings. So I mean, to me it don't matter. I really don't give a damn. As long as it's reading my shots, I don't really care. However, they have a setting for these things and they're not working, so I got to reach back out to Mantis to see what they want to do about that, if anything. And yeah, man, this is real life shit over here. So I just got a message from my FFL. I got a new stick. It is in the office. It's ready for me to pick up, and I just got home off the road, so it's perfect timing. Y'all stay tuned, man. Follow this story as well, man, because it's a cool little story right here. Like, I never win anything, and I won this firearm right here. Stay tuned to another video. See what it is, man. Get in the comments and make a guess. What do y'all think it is? I won a firearm. Is it a big one? Is it a small one? Is it an old one? Is it a new one? I don't know. So, actually, I do know. Y'all don't know. Take a guess. Stay tuned. I'll be back with the new stick. Peace. Hey, whether you need to defend yourself with your hands, pistol, a sword, a rifle, or a pistol, USCCA. Anything happens, whether it's criminal or civil cases, that will cover your ass in case you need to use self-defense. No lacking. USCCA, link in the description. Don't say I ain't tell you so. USCCA ain't the only ones on the market, so shop around. We personally use USCCA. That link is in the description. They have insurance policy, online training, and certifications right at the comfort of your own home. Introducing the StopBox Pro gun safe, the ultimate solution for safety. With cutting-edge technology, this safe keeps your firearms secure yet accessible. Built to last with an advanced locking mechanism, trust that your loved ones are protected. Use link in the description for 10% off, and buy one StopBox Pro, get one free. Double the safety for your peace of mind. Visit our website today. Link is in the description.